let's once again tell our viewers about the reaction that's coming from Rahul Gandhi when it comes to the exit poll and the results that the exit poll are projecting. Rahul Gandhi calls this a Modi media poll. And he goes on to say that the INDIA bloc will get 295 plus. We also have information that in the meeting, Rahul Gandhi said that these are exit polls and they have been done to demoralize the Congress party. Listen to what Rahul Gandhi said.
इसका नाम एग्जिट पोल नहीं है, इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295। इसका नाम एग्जिट पोल नहीं है, इसका नाम मोदी मीडिया पोल है। ये मोदी जी का पोल है, फैंटेसी पोल है उनका।
सर कितनी सीटें आ रही हैं आपके हिसाब से?
सिद्धू मूसेवाला का सॉन्ग सुना आपने? 295।
So from Modi ji ka poll to Modi media poll to fantasy poll, three branding coming in from the Congress party, three labels for these exit polls and the numbers they are projecting. Mohit, as per Rahul Gandhi, this is a fantasy poll. This is a Modi media poll. This is a Modi poll. And he goes on to say that the opposition or the INDIA bloc will get 295 seats.
Well, Sagarika will take that direct question to Shaina NC, the national spokesperson of the BJP. Now, the exit poll results are out. Now, the Congress party leaders are completely rejecting what has come in the exit poll. Rahul Gandhi has given his first reaction. He says that these exit polls are Modi media polls and this is just fantasy. Congress and the India Alliance will be getting 295 seats. What exactly is your first reaction on the statement that has come in from Rahul Gandhi?
This is not Modi poll. This is the reality that exists on ground. And for Rahul Gandhi, who lives in his fantasy world, he can view it as a fantasy poll. But the exit polls are a survey and a mandate of what the public is thinking. The public of India has voted for Modi, and this is probably history that has been created because this is the first time that you see in every single election.
It's a Modi media poll and it's a complete fantasy.
It's not a Modi media poll, it's a Modi reality poll.
Okay, we'll fix that. We'll fix that audio line there with Mohit. But you're hearing the first reaction that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party to what Rahul Gandhi is calling as a fantasy poll or a Modi media poll. But let's tell our viewers about the projection. As per the Times Now ETG survey, the survey goes on to say, and the exit poll goes on to say, that the NDA is forming government with a bigger mandate. And the numbers that are being projected in the Times Now ETG poll is 358. Now, this is the number that's now that has been projected by the Times Now ETG survey. Let's also tell our viewers, Mohit continues to stay live with us and he was just talking to Shaina NC. Mohit, you're getting the reactions from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Earlier, the Congress tried to boycott the poll. Within 24 hours, they did a reversal. They said that, okay, we are going to send our spokesperson to these exit polls. Then they are not only discrediting the polls, they are going ahead and saying that this was in fact made in the headquarters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The BJP is calling it an admission of defeat. What else are you tracking, Mohit?
Well, as for the BJP says that the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi are cut off from the reality. What the exit polls have shown is the mood of Shaina NC. They stated that this is the reality of what's happening on 4th of June, that the BJP is coming back with a thumping majority and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will again be taking oath as the Prime Minister. And the BJP also says that by making such statements, Rahul Gandhi cannot escape from the reality. The reality will come out on 4th of June. And you see, we know that how the Congress party and the India bloc leaders, they have been skeptical about this particular issue since starting. They have been raising these questions. And we have just heard the first reaction from Shaina NC that how she has hit out at the statement that has come in from Rahul Gandhi. But what we see is, as of now, a full-blown political fight over exit poll. We know that how the Congress party sometime from now will be going to the Election Commission. They will speak about the exit poll, that how the news channels, according to the Congress party, are trying to influence the Election Commission and the officials. And perhaps that is why they would want a proper inspection, a proper counting of the polls, and the postal ballot should be counted first. Because the India Alliance Congress party thinks that they're still winning these elections and they're getting around 295 to 300 seats, and this is being said by every single Congress leader. So in some time from now, the Congress party on one hand will be going to the election commission. On the other hand, here at the BJP headquarters, every single BJP leader says that they're quite confident that what has come out in the exit poll, BJP will win 20 to 30 more seats than that. So BJP is quite confident, the Congress says, and they have completely rejected all these exit polls. Back to you.
All right. So the Bharatiya Janata Party too hitting out at the Congress, especially at Rahul Gandhi after he goes on to try and discredit the exit polls. Now, as the politics continues to peak over these exit polls, let's also get you some more reactions of the opposition that's coming in. Let's listen into what the opposition is also saying, straight from Pawan Khera to Jairam Ramesh. Let's play out those reactions for our viewers.
अभी सरकारी एग्जिट पोल्स पे तो अब क्या टिप्पणी करनी, लेकिन जो जनता का पोल है, जो कल खड़गे साहब ने और हमारे इंडिया गठबंधन ने आप सबके सामने रखा, 295 सीटें कम से कम वो हमें मिल रही हैं। आपने भी देखा कि ग्राउंड पर क्या मूड है, वो सारा मूड वोटों में परिवर्तित हो रहा है, सीटों में परिवर्तित हो रहा है। ये हम इस मामले में आश्वस्त हैं।
To understand why we are getting all excited over the exit polls. These are bogus exit polls. These are masterminded and orchestrated by the man whose exit is guaranteed on the 4th of June. So there's absolutely no relation between the ground realities and what the exit polls have shown. The exit polls are doctored polls. The India Janbandhan parties met yesterday, did a state-wise analysis based on their political feedback, and Mr. Kharge announced, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji announced that there is no way that the India Janbandhan will get anything less than 295 seats. There's simply no way. So these are all psychological games being played by the outgoing Prime Minister and the outgoing Home Minister.
So for the longest time, the Congress party, especially Jairam Ramesh, they are referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the outgoing Prime Minister. On your screens are the numbers of all the exit polls and the poll of polls. If you can see, 360 plus is the projection for the NDA. Now listen into how the Bharatiya Janata Party is countering the opposition's criticism of the exit polls.
NDA together making it around 400 seats. I think if you look at the third consecutive term, it's going to be a huge margin, a large number of seats. That clearly shows if you do the good work, the good governance development model has actually worked in India, and a strong and decisive leadership has actually worked in the favor of NDA and Bharatiya Janata Party. Times Now
ETG exit poll has projected 358 seats in the exit poll for the NDA, 152 for the INDIA, and 33 for the others. Stay with us. We'll have to slip into a short commercial break right now. We'll be back with more politics around the exit polls.